The extrude and bevel effect also includes options that let you change the bevel that's applied to the side of the extruded object. To revisit the object, you'll want to open the Appearance panel and click on the 3D Extrude and Bevel. This opens up the dialog box once again. Clicking on Preview lets you see the results as you make the changes. By default, there is no bevel applied to the side of the extruded object, but you can accept a bevel and a bevel amount using this bevel drop-down list here. There are a number of different bevels that you can apply, and the bevel defines the profile that is applied to the side of the object. For example, the classic bevel rises gradually to a point, tapers off, and then tapers back at the same opposite angle to the back side of the object. There is also a bevel height that you can use to set. There are also options to have the bevel extend outward or to extend inward. This option gives kind of ridges to the side of the extruded object. And this one, called rolling, results in kind of a gradual undulating edge. By changing the bevel, you can change the look that takes place on the side of the object. And with the bevel height and in and out options, you have an infinite number of possibilities that you can create. You do need to beware though, as the bevel height is increased, sometimes edges might intersect with one another, which could affect the shading or the look of the resulting object. Once you're happy with the bevel options, you can click the OK button to apply these changes to the object.